If you want to use slide to type on your keyboard on iPhone 17, then first of all we can check if slide to type is enabled. So we're gonna go to settings, choose general, and then over here we can find keyboard. And then look for slide to type, which of course can be enabled over here in case it is deactivated. After that we can open our keyboard, let's say in messages, and we can start writing our sentences without lifting our finger. So we just drag our finger across. Unfortunately, I would say that the slide to type feature doesn't work that well, at least in my case. It seems that it uses slightly less popular words than it should, but this is how we can use it. So let's say we're gonna type "How are you?" There we go. And this is how it looks like. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.